Welcome to English Narrative Hub.
This is a podcast where you improve your English through simple conversations and real-life topics.
We keep it clear, natural, and easy to understand.
Let's get started.
Let me ask you something, Robert. What did you do this morning?
Right? Not yesterday, not last week. Specifically this morning.
Because here's something interesting, Robert. Most people live their morning routine every single day.
But they can't describe it in English.
They know the actions, they feel the routine. But when they try to explain it, the words disappear.
And today, Sophia, we're going to fix that. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your morning routine in simple English.
Naturally, clearly, confidently.
And stay with us, because near the end, we'll give you a simple structure you can reuse every day.
Robert, describing a morning routine sounds easy.
But for English learners, it's one of the hardest things.
Why? Because a routine mixes time, actions, and habits.
And if you don't organize them, your English sounds messy.
You say things like, I wake up, a breakfast, a phone, work.
People understand you, Sophia, but you don't sound confident, and confidence matters.
So here's how this episode works, Robert. First, we'll talk about why mornings matter in English.
Then, we'll walk step by step through a real morning routine. Simple verbs, simple sentences.
Then we'll help you build your own version. And at the end, we'll give you that reusable structure we promised. Why talk about your morning?
Sophia, talking about your morning routine is everywhere.
Job interviews, English classes, small talk.
People often ask, what do you do in the morning?
And when you answer smoothly, people feel comfortable with you.
Because routines feel human. They're normal. They're relatable. And the good news, Sophia?
You don't need advanced vocabulary, you just need clear order. Starting the morning story. Okay, Robert, let's start.
Imagine a normal morning.
The first action is almost always the same. I wake up, simple. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
Or, I wake up early. I wake up late.
Then comes the next action, Robert. I get out of bed. Not exit the bed, just get out of bed.
Then, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Sophia, notice something?
Yes, all simple verbs.
But here's where many learners make a mistake, Sophia. They try to say everything too fast. And they forget something important. We'll talk about that next.
Connecting actions naturally. Now let's slow down, Robert. English likes small bridges. Words like then, after that, next.
Instead of listing actions, you tell a flow. For example, Sophia,
I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I get out of bed. After that, I go to the bathroom. That sounds calm, natural. Breakfast and habits.
so what comes next, Sophia?
Breakfast. You can say, I make breakfast, or I prepare breakfast.
Simple food works best. I make coffee. I drink tea. I eat eggs. I eat toast.
No need for details yet. Modern morning actions.
Let's be honest, Sophia. Most people check their phone, so you can say, I check my phone. I read messages. I check social media. No judgment, just English. Sophia, I remember when I couldn't describe my morning in English.
Me too, Robert.
I knew my routine, but not the words.
Once I learned this structure, everything changed.
And that's why this works.
Let's put everything together, Robert. Listen carefully. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I make breakfast. I drink coffee and eat toast. Then I check my phone and get ready for work.
That's it, Sophia. Simple, clear, confident. Now, Sophia, here's the structure we promised. Remember it like this. Wake up to personal care to food, to small habit, to next step. You can use this every day. Morning routines, evening routines, weekend routines.
If you can describe your morning, Robert, you can describe your life. Start simple. Be consistent. And remember, English is not about perfection. It's about clarity.
Thanks for listening.
And we'll see you in the next episode.